Battle for the ages 6 to 8.
Yes.
So we are gathered here today. Wow, you just hooked him up with a Dr. Pepper? I feel like he's trying to psych you out or something.
Like this is a psychological move in this game.
Take it easy, okay?
We've had thousands and thousands of comments saying, please have Carlos play Vinnie Bond in a game of skate. We didn't know if it was flat ground or full park or off the Braille drop. So we decided that we'll just start with flat ground. So you guys go ahead and Rochambeau. May the best Vinnie Bond / Carlos Lastra win. Carlos is going first, and we will commentary this.
This is going to be a very good game.
It's gonna be entertaining.
Yes.
You clicked the right video today. You clicked the right video today.
Did you guys hear that? Who do you think is going to win? Flat ground and then full park.
I think it's pretty evenly matched.
I
I'm
don't
going
know.
to take...
I don't know, dude. I honestly have no idea, but I'm gonna say Vinny because
On flat?
just because I know how unreal he is. I see him land more tricks than he misses.
Yep.
I'm taking Carlos flat.
Where are you
Me
taking
too,
him?
for
You're
sure.
taking him flat.
Yeah, I'm taking him flat. I think the full park is going to be... That's going to be a battle.
Fight! Starts it out with a kickflip.
Okay, so
in Ohio, that's dirty.
Yeah, that's not
you don't
okay.
do that in Ohio.
Manual. Didn't count.
Wow. And I guess we're going to judge this.
Switch.
Straight into switch flip.
Oh.
In Ohio, that's really dirty.
He's going to do
Switch
the
flip's
intimidating
acceptable.
thing and just
It
do
is.
a regular and switch.
But if you start with switch flip, is that okay? Tray flip?
Call him tray flip. Now let's see if he does it switch after
That
this.
shouldn't have tray
He probably
flipped.
will.
Shouldn't have tray flipped.
That is the most solid three flip.
That
that
board
was a tray flip.
really likes his feet.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Okay.
I talked to
He
him in advance. I was
he
like,
almost
yeah.
missed that. That's a
He
hard trick
did
in
not
game
almost miss
yeah,
that.
it's easy to shove, not so easy to pop. Once or
Can we get
twice.
some golf claps in when they land?
Oh!
And Vinny
That was good.
will probably do a Vero heel flip.
I don't know how
I
he
was
heel
wrong.
flips like that.
I don't
He
either.
kicks his little foot.
Kicks his little foot.
Aaron loves heel flips.
Oh!
Wow.
No.
Protest.
Like
and we'll just
secretly
stop
get really
posting.
good at legitimate backflips on a skateboard, like ollieing up into the air and backflipping, and just do a bunch of like 20 shove-its and 180s and then do a backflip.
Wow.
Imagine
and
if
then a
someone did
backflip.
like 10 shove-its and 180 variations and then they just backflipped.
If they don't miss a trick soon, I'm going to a different video.
I know. I'm like. Nice.
Wow. He wasn't going to land that, and then he did. He decided, I will now land that.
They're going to be doing some interesting tricks by the time they get
It's
to the
going
end
to
of this
get
game.
wild.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That kind of reminded me of a Twizzler, like if a Twizzler did a half cab flip. Not Vinny. Vinny's not the Twizzler. It was the actual half cab flip was the Twizzler.
Right. Oh, wow. Backside big
Yeah, you
spin.
might as well get an Uber because you're gone.
Vinny
A
looks
failure.
stressed out right now.
This is where Vinny should
Yeah.
do
He
a
is
straight up
stressed out.
backflip.
He's stressing
That would be
out.
very intimidating if out the gates Vinny did a backflip.
Last night.
Nicely done.
Wow. He landed that.
I would not put that switch heel flip on my fridge for my mom to see.
No.
That was beautiful.
That is a mom heel flip. In fact, I'm gonna text my mom. You should have seen Vinny's nollie heel.
God!
There you go. Look, see?
Wow.
I'm telling my mom that Vinny did a really good nollie heel.
Straight to my neck. Make sure you get his mom's phone number and text her, YouTube.
It just says mom.
Whoa!
That was mega.
Vinnie Bond frontside flips up the Braille drop.
You know, like supersize your order.
Mega.
Would you like to make it mega? Makes it fun to say.
Then they will do it off the Braille drop. Fetty almost died. Has nobody gotten a letter? Not a single letter. Wow.
I hope you have a lot of space on your card right now because
is
this is going to be a long video.
My mom replied, "Who is Vinny?"
Switch
Switch
Trebone. Switch Trebone.
Oh my gosh.
Worst game ever. Roll that frontside flip.
Gosh.
I wanted a backflip. Okay.
I
Kelly
know,
the judge
right?
because he did the merry-go-round motion.
I love that Kelly thinks that he's a judge.
I don't think
He's in the chair.
Kelly's not a judge.
To his
No.
defense, he is in the chair.
So now Carlos is upset, and he's going to do it again.
Kelly just changed the whole
I know.
game.
I will say that I would have accepted it.
Yeah.
Personally.
Oh, and you guys comment what you think about Kelly's decision there, because Kelly has changed the entire game.
You
true.
picked a good video.
It's true. It's like a
We need to do
fakey full cab. A switch.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah.
You keep your fingers to yourself, Kelly.
Actually, just sit outside, Kelly.
That was what I wanted to see. That is why.
That was amazing.
That is why I woke up.
That was beautiful.
I'm glad I clicked this video.
Amazing.
I feel like. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes!
That was amazing.
Woo! I hate this trick. I actually hate
Let's
it.
see what Carlos has got.
If he doesn't fall soon,
Defense.
What's
Yeah,
the letter
we're-
situation we got going?
Nothing to
That
nothing.
is-
kickflip, late shove, late
I one
front
time
side
did a nollie
180.
front somersault in a game of skate.
He looked like an Olympic long jumper
Please
when he
no.
did that, you know?
It's true.
Yes, he did.
Wow. He literally broke
finally a
both
letter.
of his angles.
We have blood in the water. I didn't know where I was going after I said blood, so I just came up with a phrase.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, switch varial. Nicely done, Carlos.
Oh! Wow.
And the game has got a little more interesting.
Vinny
Game is
does
approaching
not
with the
wanna hear
camera,
that.
and he's pointing it at us. Vinny makes skateboarding tricks look really good.
Yeah. Carlos is calling his own rebate.
He's going a little bit faster. It was smoother, but it
Wow.
was the same exact thing.
Gosh.
Better. Sorry, Carlos. I love you. Carlos is my dude, but that one was better.
Because the arms would look better going straight forward.
This game might go on
It
forever.
might be
Yep.
eternal. That is the
And then they have to
most
play full
disturbing
park.
skateboard I've ever seen in my life.
What?
That was really good.
That
Vinny.
was the...
Yeah, that was
It was
good.
like a plot twist. Like,
The like Rumpelstiltskin thing you got going over there is terrifying.
Yes.
there you go.
No. Oh,
Wow.
and Carlos has pulled into the lead.
Okay.
Oof.
Actually, Captain America, that's amazing.
Yes.
It's good.
Wow.
Oh, this
Plot
is,
twist.
Uh-oh.
I feel like Vinny's gonna do this really good.
You're right.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, yeah. Well, you know what? You're 3 letters ahead, so you deserve to miss a trick.
Uh-oh.
And you almost landed.
Uh-oh.
That was the
room
most-
is completely
That was
silent.
the most silent. It's defense, yeah. Hey, we got it. Oh, the ball has been turned back over to Carlos.
He's very serious right now.
He is.
You would be too. Oh. And let's see what Vinny has to offer.
Wow.
He served it up.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Wow. Kickflip,
like
primo, hard, late
If there was
fit,
ever a
shove it.
trick that could have cut someone's feet off, that was it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Carlos, I have a 100 pesos if you land this.
Uh-oh.
Good.
This is a fabulous game.
It is.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Hope you guys are too. Sitting on your cell phones. Okay.
And realized that 45 minutes later, it was still on.
540
Fakey bigger
big spin.
spin.
Perfect.
Is he? Oh, I get
Yes.
it. Oh.
There you
Now Vinny can be as double flippy as he wants.
It's
the
true.
The gates have opened.
To double flips.
It could be a game changer.
Could be rough.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, Vinny's a T. No, that's cheap. That is dirty. Now, if you're not familiar with rules of skate, he does get one more try because he is on tee.
That is true.
No, I can't do that. Yeah, we're giving it to him. I mean, I saw a perfect shove and late flip.
I saw a perfect aerial heel.
Yeah.
Give it one more go.
Yeah, go again.
Use your toe.
Use your toe, not your heel.
Or just make it look like you used your toe. We'll give it to you. Wow.
Carlos started punching below the belt. He is the winner.
That was a wiener shot for sure.
And therefore, he will get an
Absolutely a
action
wiener
figure.
shot.
Wow. What a game. Now, full park, game of skate.
Is this
Vinny
one
goes
video?
first. You played well out there.
That was one of the better games of skate I've seen in a very long time.
That was incredible.
Super good.
But I still
that
think
was
you got
amazing.
him off
That
the
was
Braille drop.
We'll leave that out for now.
Where do you want to go? Full park.
This video happened in my head, okay? A game of skate where you tell people what to try. You know what I'm saying? Like the
That's a good
skaters
idea.
don't get to choose their tricks.
It's a good idea. Vinny is going to the 3-stair.
That was beautiful.
Nollie heel down the 3.
That was good.
That was really good.
good.
On the scale of good, that was excellent.
Yes.
Yeah, no heel, you got it. See, I told you.
That's true.
He did do
You
it.
had
did have
doubt
it.
in your voice at first.
I did. I did.
That happened.
I've
You
never
saw it?
seen him nollie heel
We saw
down
it.
something. Yeah. He's going to hit the handrail. Maybe we should play skateboard on this one.
That's switchboard?
Switchboard fit to regs.
Switchboard to regs.
Yeah.
Started off easy.
Carlos is like, cool.
Uh-oh. He's doing that thing.
That is K.
Front
Board
board.
is the hardest thing in the world.
No.
I got into one and I was like, I have no interest in continuing this.
Who starts with a switch front board?
Do that by the end of the day. I want to
Oh, a switch front board?
Nuts.
Nonsensical.
Like,
You
just don't-
need to
just don't do
get
that.
if you have any hope, you need to get back into your setting the trick.
He's going to take
No,
a
I'm
letter.
literally gonna take the letter.
That's it. A.
That is too much for me.
He's going, oh, he's going Braille. Backflip. Back 5-0.
Back 5-0. I don't think I've ever seen him do grind tricks on the rail.
I was wrong.
I've never
Yeah.
seen him skate a hand roll.
That is
No.
T.
Vinny's not joking around.
Yeah, I know. That's what happens when you do a shove and late flip. Sorry. That's what he's going to do.
That was like a
He
stratosphere
literally has every
back.
trick down the set that I can't do.
Ghost pepper snails, man. They're not as bad as you think.
I had snails in France. They were disgusting.
Yeah, I wouldn't go there if I didn't.
I had snails in France and they were good.
I'm sure they were good snails, but snails is just not my thing.
It was like chewy chicken.
Yeah, exactly.
Is the texture the worst
Chewy,
thing in the world?
disgusting chicken.
They're not that bad.
They're bad. If Carlos lands this, I want Vinny to ollie up the 5.
Dang it.
Wow, what a game.
I tried to get coffee on Uber Eats and the game was over.
Carlos wants to do redemption and switch board slide.
Give me some Vietnamese coffee.
Can't.
All right, guys, well, a huge thanks for watching this. I'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, Vinny Bond, and Brian and Andy and Carlos. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below.